Hi guys, I'm here back with my channel DIY Home Improvement, and first of all thank you for my viewers that we have 100 subscribers, and today's video is all about to install a garage door opener. So let's start it. So we got this Chamberlain wireless keypad, and that has a strongest, fast and easy setup illuminated keypad, and is from a Craftsman Lift Master. That's the one we bought it, and today we're going to install this because in particular our case we have a garage door opener with the same company. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so let's open this. Okay, all right. Open it. We got one set, and we got some instructions, some other paper, and then we got some screws here. So we got that Chamberlain that look like has a 2 hole, 1 and 2, and let's open this. Okay, yeah. Oh, we got all the numbers from 1 to 9 and 0. Enter, and let's open this. Okay, we got a battery inside. On the battery, okay, the battery is there. That's good. And also we got some instructions here. That's the method A and the method B. So when we go for the instruction, we take a look here. That's what's going on. So alright, so this is called installation. So that's installation. So installation is pretty simple here. This is select location about 5 feet, 1.5 meter, about 5 feet. Remove a battery cover, and oh, it's nice weather outside. So let's start it. That's the keypad opener, and I got those 3 screws, actually 2 screws, and there are star screws. So we got one hole, that's a hanger hole, and then one hole on the bottom. So what we do, we take one screw out, and we'll just kind of check here where we want. And in our case, we want about a 5 feet. So I'll kind of make a kind of center here, and I put my screw, and I'll just push. It's not very careful. Put my screw in, and it's easy. And I put my screw. So I want to keep screw a little bit out, like about a 1/4 inch, like less than a 1/4 out, and I'll check my pad, and I'll slide up, and there you go, and it looks good. And then I'll just open this one nicely, and I'll take the battery out. That's the battery out, leave it here. And that screw, you can see that's the hole, and I'm going to use this screw there, the second screw, and it's pretty straightforward. And I'm just going to use kind of just straight manually. Make sure when you tie it at the end, so just gently and slowly, because I don't want to break the casing. So I'll just go a couple more turns, and here you go. This looks good. And I put my battery in, and I got my cover. Make sure I put my cover nice and tight, and it's pretty stable, strong. And I got to put my cover on it. Okay, now is a programming part. So let's start it, and I'm gonna create my personal code and lock it, store it. Okay. All right, open it, and I'm gonna hold the star and a pound button until it stops blinking. It's still blinking. stop. So the blinking stopped. Now I'm gonna put my personal code. In my case, 1, 5, and then I'm gonna enter it. Right? So now my code is stored. So once we put a code in and the code is stored, and now we gonna go double check and identify our what type of garage door opener we have. Let's go take a look at that. So take a look and take the cover off. So in our case we have a red learn button. So in our case is a red, in some other cases there will be maybe a purple, orange or other colors. So in our case we got a red. So when we see the red, we got a manual here, and this manual says that okay, here. So we got a red, and that's mean 3. So we gotta go and enter 3 times. Okay, let's go there. As you see that in our case is a red. So red mean we gotta press this 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then the next step we gotta push the 0 and release it. Now we go back to the openers. Alright, so I'm gonna go press the learn button, and I'm gonna have only 30 seconds to go back to enter my PIN code. Okay, so we got a 30 seconds. Alright, so now I'm gonna enter my PIN code. 1, 3, 4, 5. And I'm gonna enter it, and I can see the here click, and then I'm gonna enter the 0. Okay. So now I heard the 2 click, and now I know that all programming is done. So let's enter my code and close the door. Alright, so the door is closing. Nice, and the door is closing. Excellent. Oh, the door is closed, and let's open the door again, and I put my code. My door is open. So this is how we install the LiftMaster Chamberlain garage door openers, and I will also drop the instruction in the description box. And thank you very much, and have a nice day. Bye.